Rolling Easter eggs, a fun tradition explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and fun topic that many of you might have heard about: rolling Easter eggs. This tradition is not only a significant cultural event in some countries but also an interesting phrase that can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's crack the shell of this expression and explore its meanings, origins, and how it's celebrated today. Whether you're learning English or just curious about different cultures, you're in for a treat. Rolling Easter eggs is a tradition that involves literally rolling decorated eggs, usually hard-boiled, across a lawn or down a hill. The idea behind this activity is not just about fun. It's loaded with symbolism and history. Eggs have long been associated with new life and rebirth, making them a perfect fit for the themes of Easter, which celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ in Christian belief. Over time, this activity has evolved into a popular Easter event for children and families around the world. The tradition of rolling Easter eggs has roots that go deep into history, with connections to various cultures and religions. Its origins can be traced back to medieval Europe, where eggs were often decorated as part of spring festivals. However, the specific tradition of rolling eggs is believed to have been popularized in England and Germany. It symbolized the rolling away of the stone from Jesus' tomb. By the 19th century, it had become a widespread Easter activity, with one of the most famous events being held on the White House lawn in the United States. Today, rolling Easter eggs is celebrated with much enthusiasm and creativity. In the United States, the White House Easter egg roll is a significant event, attracting thousands of children and their families each year. Participants not only roll decorated eggs but also engage in games, storytelling, and visits from Easter characters. Similarly, in the United Kingdom and other countries, communities hold their own versions of egg rolling competitions, each with unique rules and traditions. It's a day of joy, community bonding, and, of course, lots of chocolate and Easter treats. Beyond the fun and games, rolling Easter eggs carries a deeper cultural significance. It's a moment for families to come together, create memories, and celebrate the season of renewal. For many, it's a blend of religious observance and secular enjoyment, showcasing the diverse ways in which Easter is celebrated around the globe. It also offers a fascinating glimpse into how traditions evolve while maintaining their core symbolic meanings. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the tradition of rolling Easter eggs. It's a wonderful example of how a simple activity can hold layers of meaning, connecting us to history, culture, and each other. As you celebrate Easter or simply enjoy learning about different customs, remember the joy and community spirit that this tradition brings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has added some extra color to your English language learning journey. Until next time, keep rolling forward with curiosity and eagerness to learn.